My name is Florence Peterson, and I've been driving for CFISD for 50 years. First bus that I drove for CFIR was bus number 49, which I had to double clutch. And currently I'm in 6456, which is a much nicer, newer bus. I enjoy being around the kids. Some of them, you can really help. And you'd be surprised how it makes those kids feel when you speak to them in the mornings and speak to them in the afternoons. CFIR is so much special. You can't even compare it to other districts. There's no comparison. There's just not. And they've always been good to me here. If they did it, they would enjoy it. They just have to try it. Just try it. I think I'm a good driver. I mean, you've been driving 50 years and hadn't had a wreck. I think that's pretty good.
For more information on how you can drive CFISD, visit www.cfisd.net.